Hello everyone, today I will show you how to toggle on or off the change target when lock on target is defeated setting in Nioh 3. Let's begin by opening the system settings. From this menu, go to the basic game settings. Here, swap to the fourth page, as is displayed at the bottom. Here you can change the target when lock on target is defeated. Yes, this setting from the on state to the off state or back to the on state. Pick whichever value you prefer and then simply press the back button to confirm your choice. Press it once again and that's it. Thank you for watching and please remember to like, comment and subscribe.